Carl just picked up this. Explain what it is, fool.
Street Fighter 5, motherfucking tournament edition. Like the basic one, not the badass one, I guess. You know, the other one's like $30 more.
I guess you've been taking out with Bison, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
It has the Bison.
I don't own the game. Well, now I do, but never did. I can't even open this motherfucker. All this tape, that's fine.
There's scissors in the desk. It looks pretty cool so far. You're gonna keep the box all fresh or what?
Nah, I'm ripping right now.
Well, I mean, like to store it in.
Oh.
Like if it has styrofoam, throw away that shit and just keep it in the box.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, fuck. That shit, man. All this shit.
Maybe we should have watched an unboxing video.
Yeah.
Find out where it was taped. Do you enjoy watching unboxing videos? I do. For real though.
Boxing videos?
Unboxing.
Oh.
Like exactly what Carl's doing right here.
Whatever.
Yeah.
See, like, give me that thing. Let me see it. Like, let me have this. And then you can just carry it in this thing. What it is. Damn, that looks bad, fool. Wouldn't you think they would have put 5?
2, 3, 4, why?
Street Fighter 5?
That's our logo, fool. It's Mad Catz logo.
Oh, it's Mad Catz logo. It's a nice box. So what's the difference between this one? Oh, dude, that's clean, dude.
Oh, Fiend me? Oh, it's fucking small?
Damn. It's pretty cool. Let's get some more light. Damn, take it out of the box. Damn, that looks fresh, dude. With the foam?
Let's put a foam on the bottom, too.
So what is it? Heavy, light?
Fair. Both heavy and light. For durability, you know?
How's is it a square, circular?
I don't know. Homeboy told me this is the
Tournament edition.
I mean, it's not the other one. The part of the second edition, whatever.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Kind of feels like...
It's been a long week.
I don't know. Doesn't feel like square or nothing.
Buttons are flat or are they raised?
Oh, raised.
You played with this one already?
Mad Catz, no.
Hell yeah.
Shit. Start option selection. This is probably the fucking
Batteries or the wire?
Total fucking wire.
Dude, that's cool. It's all packed away.
No. Let's see that.
And USB or what?
Of course.
Or the PlayStation B. Damn.
It looks like it's pretty long too.
Hell yeah, dude. Well,
Like
should we
that.
pause it and get some gameplay footage? Alright, hell yeah. We're gonna do that. Nope.
Oh yeah, move some shit.
How does it feel so far?
I think it might be set up already. I think it does it.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah.
Oh, let's see if I'm online or not. Oh, yeah, I'm online now.
You're gonna try to play online real quick with your new joystick.
I don't know. You play against each other?
Just I want to get some quick footage of you playing, so just play anything.
I don't know how I'm gonna go online, this motherfucker.
Just play fucking survival real quick.
I think it's ranked match. I don't know how to get in there. We'll do. What is it? Normal, I guess?
Yeah.
What should we use?
Someone you're good with that you can know you can take out.
I'll take you on. Bag your voice.
Hey, get down.
This is the path of my destiny.
I'm gonna change that to Japanese.
Ow!
That's how you start the fight and finish it quickly.
This is easy shit because it's on I think I need to change the button layout. Let's see. I thought you start this shit. Oh shit, wrong one.
Well, that was the unboxing, a little bit of gameplay. Video's coming up to be a little bit long. Later.